Go.
Let me know when. Hi. Welcome back to another week of herbal bone soup at Grand Meridian. Today we're going to be doing the lower back support tonic soup. So I'm going to introduce some of the herbs that are in this formula, and I think it'll be interesting. So let's talk about the star of the show. That would be Duzong. Okay, Duzong Economy of Cortex. You learned that in school. One of its claim to fame is to tonify sinews and bones, right? So a lot of older folks actually use this to strengthen not just the lower back, but sinews and bones throughout the body. And then also, the lower back is a particular problem for older folks. So that's actually a very good and common herb. Duzong is very relatively common, and it doesn't taste bad at all. So that's we sell it over the counter. People come in and buy it. So you get to taste Duzong today. Another herb that is the yin yang hua, which is the horny goatweed. That's the street name, but that's actually the exact translation. But horny goatweed or epimedium is a leaves, and actually it strongly tonifies the kidney yang, also strengthens sinews and bones. This is a very common ingredient. It is a little bit on the warming side, but in soup form it's fine. It's not too much of a concern. So another ingredient that we have in is bajitian. Bajitian is also strengthens sinews and bones, tonify the kidneys. So far right now, all three herbs that we talk about all tonify kidneys. This one strengthens sinews and bones, augment the essence, and also dispel wind dampness, right? So both the horny goatweed, which is the yin yang hua, and the bajitian, they actually dispel wind damp. And this is where wind damp get into the joints, and it causes these tendons to be more stiff, and actually impedes the flow of qi and blood in the collaterals, and therefore you get pain. So this is a very good combo between bajitian, Duzong, and yin yang hua. Now we're going to move into more of the tonic, the yin and blood tonics. This one here is gochita, which you guys probably know about. We talk about it seemingly every soup we have it. Nourishes liver and kidney, yin and blood. Also augments the essence. It's sweet, is awesome. Older folks love it, especially the essence part. That's actually a few herbs in here. Also boost the essence. And the key is the yin and the blood, right? A lot of older folks tend to be deficient. And who has these type of problems with the lower back pain? Not young people, right? Usually older, more deficient. So yin yang hua is a good one. And then next herb here is the long yan rou, which also tonifies the spleen, supports the middle jiao. Also it's calming, nourishing of blood. It's sweet. It's good all around. We throw long yan rou into a lot of the soups. So that's actually a good mix of nourishing yin and blood. And lastly, we have dazao. Now, dazao is jujube. You all know it. Complements very well. Oftentimes the last ingredient in many soups. It supports the middle jiao and also nourishes qi and blood, right? The red dates. So this is pretty much the combo. Now, of course, you can mix and match. Again, I always tell you guys every week, the key is to find herbs that do not taste bad, that's consistent. So there will be different combinations of this, but this is a good combo to start, and you get to taste it this week. And I want to remind you to let your patients know, the bone soup, the bone themselves, the marrow themselves, will lend themselves also to strengthening their bones, right? So the bones actually have a therapeutic action to it besides for the taste. Okay, that's it for this week, and I'll see you guys next week.